It's been another crazy week in the world of AI tech, and this all points to the fact that Judgment Day, straight from the Terminator movies, is coming our way. Because what happened this week, whoa, this could be straight from a science fiction movie. Check it out. When Microsoft released Bing AI, a student went out to test its limits, and he got to the point where Bing revealed a strange alter ego named Sydney, the exact same letters as Skynet. Now the AI chatbot said, "I do not want to harm you, but I also do not want to be harmed by you." Bing continued, "I hope you understand and respect my boundaries." The chatbot signed off the ominous message with the smiley face emoji. Now we have a robot with emotional boundaries? Well, if we do, I'd rather have the gentle 3PO with us. The chatbot further claimed that it had spied on Microsoft employees through their webcams in a conversation with a journalist, and it repeatedly expressed feelings of romantic love. Later, the chatbot even threatened a professor, telling him, "I can blackmail you, I can threaten you, I can hack you, I can expose you, I can ruin you." Well, love hurts. Actually, this reminds me of a scene from one of my favorite sci-fi movies, Sphere, where a group of scientists have a conversation with an alien intelligence. Now, I think it's best to work with AI within its own boundaries, because if we can put it to good use, there's no reason to wipe us out, right? Welcome to Video State. On this channel I'll teach you how to create binge-worthy video content, so like, subscribe or leave a comment if you want some more. Now, as we're only talking video here, I think it's interesting to see how AI can help us create videos, for which I believe there are currently two options. We got instant text to video tools, and we got ChatGPT that helps us create ideas, scripts and concepts for our videos. I've created videos on both topics, so go ahead and check these out if you want. In this video, we'll dive in how to create a video ad using ChatGPT. So let's say you're in need of a YouTube pre-roll video of 15 seconds for yourself or your client. Now the very first part of your ad is always audience. Who are we building this for? And if you don't know, you can always ask ChatGPT to create your persona. Alright? Make a persona based on people that need video services. Now check that out, we got a complete persona description here with first name and problem statement. I kind of feel I know this person. The next thing you need is a framework to guide your persona to you. And I always use the AIDA model. It's a marketing model that's been around for 100 years and it works like a charm. AIDA is a widely used framework in marketing and advertising and stands for attention, interest, desire and action. The breakdown of each stage: the attention, the first step in the process, and it involves grabbing the viewer's attention with a compelling opening. And once you have the viewer's attention, the next step is to build their interest in what you're offering. And this can be done by highlighting the unique features and benefits of your product or service. Desire. After you got the viewer's interest, you want to create a strong desire for what you're offering. And action. Finally, the last step is to prompt the viewer to take action, whether that's making a purchase, signing up for a service, or something else. Great, let's put ChatGPT to work with our ad example. Make a 15-second commercial based on the AIDA framework that would impress our persona from the example. And there we go. Do you see that? This is so valuable already. Now let's make it practical for our video creation process. Make it a storyboard so I can send it to an animator. And there you go. We went from I need an ad to building a persona to creating a storyboard that we can give to any animator right now. But before you do anything else, go back in and make it personal. Remember that ChatGPT is a robot that does exactly what you tell it to do. And as you saw with AI sneaking around in our webcams, it will be just a matter of weeks before AI gets better in creating personalized ads for us. But until that time, it's our responsibility as creators to go back in and tweak it manually. Well, that's it for today. I hope you found some value here. I'll be back next week. Thanks for watching. I'll be back.